Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shishwa Saitar. I hope you all are doing fine. Let's solve today's problem for Leetcode. The problem name is single element in a sorted array. Okay, this is a very medium problem. Let's see. Let's give a like for this problem. The problem is saying you are given a sorted array consisting of only integers where every element appears exactly twice. Okay, except for one element which appears exactly once. So we have written the single element that appeared only once. So it's very easy problem, but why it is in medium category? Because of this. The solution must run at log of n time and 0 of 1 space. Because of this, the problem becomes medium. If it was if it told to solve it by log of n times, it would be a very easy problem. Let's see how we can solve this. So some normal brutal way to solve it by O of n, we can iterate to the array and we will see if there is any single element. Then in this case we can see 2 is the single element. How we can see it? We will check previous element if it is equal or not. If it is equal, then we will skip 2 times. If it is not equal, we will say we have written the element. This is the brutal way. Okay, or we can use this one, sorrow. But we can iterate to every element and we will find a unique element which is here too. It's very easy. We can use bitwise also. You can use normal brutal phrase also, but here we told we have to solve it by log of n. Okay, we have to solve this solution by log of n. Okay, so how we can solve this? So here in this question they told a sorted array. So whenever you see a sorted array, just think of solving it by binary binary approach. Okay, so what we'll do here, we will search for binary approach. Let's take this operation. 1 1 2 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there, 8 is there. Okay, so now we will do the medium value. So till how much is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So totally how many elements are there? Total elements are there 8. The length of the nums equal to 9. The length of the nums equal to 9, but the index is starting from 0 till the 8 index. So what we will do, first we will find the mid value. First we will find the mid value. So 0 plus 8 divided by 2 will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 4. So what is 4 here? 4 is equal to 3. Now what we will do here? We will see if its front side is equal to its side, then what we will do? We will go back. What I am seeing here, I will check if the front side is equal. If it is not equal, then I will see which side. See, first what I will do here, first I will see, like first we find out middle, then I will check if the front side is equal to the same element. If that's the not case, now I will say which side is an odd number. What is the odd? Is this the length odd or this length is the odd? So why I am saying I want an odd number here? Just assume if we have 5 numbers, which with 2 integers repeating itself, and only we have one integers which is representing only one time. So what will be the size of this array? It will be equal to 11. Okay, I hope I'm clear here. Let's see here what is the size here? The size is here equal to 4. And what is the size of this equation? The size of this the length of this array is 5. So what I can say, if there is a duplicate exists in this array, it should exist here only. It should exist in this length only. It should not exist in this. Why? Because they do have a pair of here, and the length is here even. First we check if the element is not equal to here. Now what we will do here? We will reassign the high is equal to like this. We will reassign high is equal to 4. Now high will be equal to 4 and low will be equal to 0. Okay, so 0 plus 4 is how much? 4, and divided by 2, which is equal to 2, and 2 is here we have 2. So we will take this 2 here and we will check if it is equal to this one. If this side is equal to number 2, no. And what I will do, I will divide this. And see here, if right side is even, yes it is even. In left side is also even, yes it is even. So I can say this solution is this problem. For this problem, this is the solution, 2 is the solution. I hope I am clear here. Let's solve another example here. Let's take another example to make it more clear. First, what we'll do, we will assign this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it is sorted array. So how many elements are there? For low is equal to 0 and high is equal to 6. So 0 plus 6 divided by 2 will be equal to 3. So what is 3 here? 3 is here 7. First, what I will do, I will check if the front side element is equal to this. I will say it is not equal to that. So what I will do here now I will divide this here and I will check which one has a odd length. So what is the length here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is even, and this one is 1, 2, 3, and this is odd number. So what I will do, I will reassign now. In this case I have reassigned the high value, but in this case I will reassign low as mid plus 1, and in this case mid is how much? 3. So I will say low will be equal to 4 and high will be equal to now 6. So what will be the total of this? 10 divided by 2, which is equal to how much? Which is equal to 5. So now I will check 5 here. Now what I will do, I will see if the front side is equal to the same element. In this case it is equal to 11 is equal to 11. So what I will do, I will do mid minus 1. Okay, now mid minus will go back side. So now it's 10. So now I will check if its front side is equal to the previous value. No, the 10 is not equal to 11. Now I will check. I will say if this is odd, or if this either side is odd or even. So this is even and this side is 0. The length is 0. We don't have anything. So 0 is also even, and right side is also even. So I can say the answer for this output is 10. So we are getting here 10. Do we get here 10? Yes. So what we are doing is we are simply checking the length of the left and the right. So let's code and see how we can do. First we will check if the length of the num equal to 1, then what we have to do, we have to return the value. Okay, first I will check if num length is equal to 1, then what we have to do, we have to return the first value. Okay, now what we will do, we say length low will be equal to 0 and high will be equal to nums dot length minus 1. Now what we have to do, we have to iterate till while L is less than H. Till then you have to iterate. First we will find the mid value. Mid will be equal to low plus high divided by 2. So we will first find the mid. After that what we have to do, we have to check if the front element is equal to or not. If the front side element is equal to or not. In this case we have found here what we found, like let's take this one. If we have found here 8, 4. First we will do if it is front side is equal to 4 or not. If front side is equal to 3, then what we will do, then we will change the element. If nums of mid equal to nums, sorry, this is why did I wrote it, I don't know. Nums of mid plus 1, if they both are equal, then what we have to do, we have to go backside. The mid will be equal to, we can do mid minus 1, or you can simply do mid minus, both are equal. And what did we check here? Now we have to check the side, the left side and the right side is even or not. So what we will do, first we will check for this side. Let's see what we will do here. We will say mid minus L plus 1. This is the size of the this side. Let's see if it is if it is odd, then what we will do here, if it is odd, then what we'll do, we will reassign the high value. Here we reassign the high value as mid. Okay, we reassign the high value as mid. If that's not case, then obviously if this side is not the case, then what we will do, we will reassign the lower case as mid plus 1. Okay, at last what you have to do, after looping to everyone, what you have to do, we have to return the nums of mid. Chalo, let's run and see. Simply what I told, we have to check left side and right side length, then we have to find the value. Let's run this code. Do we find any error? Yeah, we do find an error. Okay, this is not mid, this should be L. Sorry. So we are reiterating and we are getting L here. Let's see if we have any error. Yeah, it is getting passed. Test case is getting passed. What we are doing, simply we are checking the length of left and right, and whoever has odd value, we are going there. This much only we are doing. Let's submit and see how much do we have any time error or not. So we don't have any time error, and it is beating 100%. It is beating 100%. I hope this approach is clear. If you have any doubt regarding this approach, please do comment. I will surely help you. If you like this video, please give a like, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. It would be great help. And thank you for watching. Keep coding. Chalo, bye.